Welcome to my channel Halley Buzz.
In this video we will see how to make donuts without yeast, and if you do not have chocolate to coat the donuts, you can make simple powdered sugar coated donuts and they taste amazing as well. In a bowl, take 2½ cups of maida, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of Eno. If you do not have Eno, you can use 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now add 2 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice and half cup of milk. A pinch of salt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of water if required. After kneading the dough for 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of butter. If you do not have butter, you can use ghee instead of it. Again knead the dough. So total time to knead the dough will be around 10 to 12 minutes. Just apply the ghee or butter on top of it and cover this dough and let it rest for an hour. After 1 hour, again knead it for 10 to 15 seconds. Take out a portion of it and sprinkle a little maida and roll this dough. You need to roll this dough little thick. To cut the donuts, you can use cookie cutters or donut cutter. If you do not have any, you can use 2 different sizes of lids to cut the donuts. Take out the extra dough and can use it again to make donuts. The donuts are ready to be fried. Here comes the oil. The oil should be medium hot. Drop in the donuts and fry till they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. Make sure you do not fry the donuts in high flame. If you do so, the donuts will look that they are cooked outside, but inside they will be raw. As you keep on frying the donuts, you will notice that they are puffed up like the yeast donuts. Similarly, fry the rest of the donuts. In the next step, I will coat the donuts with chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a double boiler method. You can use 2 different types of chocolates, white and dark. Now coat the donuts and decorate them as you like. Here are the donuts and they turned out really nice. Give this recipe a try and enjoy it. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.